Okay, so now that our buttons are hooked up, let's go ahead and exit out of the application and let's change our styles and themes so that they actually do what we want them to do. So let's start by looking at the Android manifest. And you'll see that now we have a main activity and we also have .light, .light dark, and .dark activities. And on the application, there's an Android theme attribute, which is set to a style resource named app theme. And if we look at the style resources under values styles, here's the style resource, theme appcompat light dark action bar. So this appcompat is maintaining compatibility with older versions of the Android operating system. If you're either 11, I think it's 11 and above, then you can use theme.holo. If you want to support before 11, you need to use appcompat. But otherwise, it's pretty much the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this main activity. I'm going to go to the manifest, and I'm going to add a line that looks like this to the activities that I want to override the theme on. So the default theme for all activities is going to be style/app theme, and I'll leave that alone for my main activity. But for my light activity, I'm going to add an Android theme, which is going to be style/light theme. And then I'm going to go to my style resources, and I'm going to create a light theme by copying this style and changing this to just light. So theme.appcompat.light. Let me go ahead and actually I have to change the name, I'm sorry. So I also have to change this to be light theme. There we go. All right, and as long as I'm here, I'll go ahead and add the other ones. So light theme, dark theme is just theme.appcompat, and then light dark bar theme is light dot dark action bar. So those are the three base themes. And now I'm going to go back to my manifest, and I'm going to go ahead and let's see, do it this way. Copy that. So there's my light. Here's my light dark bar. And here's my dark. And that should be all of them. So let's go ahead and test now. And I'll do the Nexus 7 this time. So light with a light bar, light with a dark bar, and dark with a dark bar. So those are the three base themes. And then within each theme, inside of my styles folder, I can actually customize these even more. So let me go ahead and add a custom one that I will work on the next one. So I'm going to do a little rainbow menu bar one, just to make things really ugly. So let's go. Try it again. Pull that in. All right, so this is going to be my custom theme. I'm going to save this as IC custom. And I'm going to go to my menu, and add a custom button. Make that the first one. So this will be Action Custom and Icon Custom. So make sure that I put the right thing in drawable, IC Custom. And then the title is going to be Action under Custom, which I have to define. So in strings, we'll add an action under custom. Called custom. And then we need a custom activity. And the parent is going to be main activity again. Okay. And now in our manifest, we're going to add a theme to this new custom activity. Oops. I want it to be here. And this will be the custom theme. And then in the style, I'm going to add a custom style, and I'm just going to start with theme AppCompat. Put that one here. All right, so let's see if that worked. Right, so here's my new menu button, and should basically do the same as this one, I think. Dark with dark action bar. Oh, I forgot to hook that part up. Let me do that. So let me go to my Java. And I'm going to copy this code. And if the ID is custom, action custom, then I'm going to start the custom activity. And great. So now I have a custom activity which does the same thing as my dark activity. So in the next video, we're going to actually customize our custom theme.